Today, I would like to share with you the Specialist Diploma in Cloud Computing Architecture, or NSCCA. I have included the QR codes that will lead you to the course registration website, so you can actually scan and go to the website to find out most of the registration details about NSCCA. Okay, today I would like to share with you the course objectives of NSCCA and the rationale why we are offering this course, and also the job outlooks for cloud computing roles. I also go through the course structure and highlight some of the key features of the course. I will also briefly go through the target audience, minimum requirements, enrollment details, and contact information about where you can about the course. Okay, first let's look at the course objectives. Okay, NSCCA focuses on cloud architecture and practical application across emerging technology areas to design, implement, and manage new digital solutions. It aims to equip participants with the knowledge and skills required to undertake new cloud computing related roles in the ICT industries. Now, so why are we offering this course? Okay, now why is the course relevant to you and to Singapore? Okay, we all know that it is essential for Singapore businesses to continue embarking on digital transformation to unlock their full potential and stay competitive. Cost efficiency. Cloud computing can help businesses reduce their IT costs, by eliminating the need for on-premise servers and related hardware. Businesses can use IT resources just like your water and electricity utility. So NSCCA aims to prepare professionals who understand cloud computing to help business to navigate digital transformation and to acquire digital solutioning skills that are crucial for developing new business models and strategies in the digital age. So what are cloud computing roles? Okay, now we know that cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way businesses think about IT resources. It's a key enabler for digital transformation and innovation in today's digital age and digital solutioning skills that leverages the cloud. So what are some of the cloud computing roles? They include positions like cloud engineers, cloud architects, and DevOps engineers. A cloud engineer is an IT professional responsible for designing, developing, and managing cloud-based infrastructures, applications, and services. A cloud architect is an IT professional responsible for developing cloud strategies, evaluating cloud applications and hardware, and organizing cloud systems to meet the operational needs of the organization. Finally, a cloud DevOps engineer provides technical leadership in the continuous integration, continuous development, or CI/CD domains using tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, AWS, and Kubernetes. Okay, these cloud computing roles play crucial parts in leveraging cloud technology within an organization to ensure the smooth operation of cloud-based system. Now, the word cloud shows some of the skills or key skills or tools that these cloud computing roles need to master. As you can see, one of the key skills to be familiar with is the services provided by the big cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Okay, what is the job outlook for cloud computing? Now, despite hearing about retrenchments in the big tech companies, the medium to long-term outlook for the tech sector in Singapore remains positive, and the job outlook for cloud computing related roles is promising. I have included a QR code that linked to the EDB press release in May last year. In the press release, it says that the government has rolled out strategies to develop the information and communication industry further. This includes more funded training programs in the ICT sectors, and this demonstrates the confidence in the ICT sector. The industry is expected to grow 5% to 7% per year, with the number of well-paying jobs reaching 80,000 by 2025. Now we see that the increased adoption of AI and cloud technologies by business necessitates workforce skill in cloud infrastructure and services. Now I've also included another QR code that linked to the Fortune Business Insight report. Now the report says that the cloud computing market size is projected to grow from 676.29 billion in 2024 to 2,291.59 billion by 2032 at a rate of 16.5%. Now the major driving factors cited in the report are increasing digital transformation across businesses, growing internet and mobile device adoption across the globe, and the increased usage of big data. How about the impact of generative AI on the cloud? Well, the implementation of generative AI capabilities into cloud infrastructure actually fuel further market expansion. And this definitely increased the demand for cloud computing professionals. Okay, now let me go through the course structure for NSCCA. The NSCCA comprises of 4 modules that may be completed over 2 semesters, which is 1 year. The course takes in 2 intakes per academic year, one in April and one in October. The one that is currently open for registration is the October intake. Upon completion of 2 modules, participants will be awarded one post-diploma certificate or PDC. Upon successfully acquiring 2 PDCs, participants will be conferred the specialist diploma in cloud computing architecture. So what will you be covering in the PDC? So looking at PDC 1, which is fundamentals of cloud computing, the 2 modules in PDC 1 are Module 1, Cloud Foundations, and Module 2, Linux System Administration. Module 1, Cloud Foundation, provide an overview of cloud concepts, cloud computing service providers' core services, security, architecture, pricing, and support. It prepares candidates for industry certifications such as, but not limited to, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. Now, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud, offering 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. Module 2, Linux System, prepares trainees to be effective administrators of enterprise Linux systems, mastering basic Linux system administration tasks such as adding hardware, managing users, understanding file systems, and partitioning logical volumes, SE Linux, firewall, troubleshooting, and attaching the machine to an existing network. This module prepares candidates for industry certifications such as, but not limited to, the Red Hat Certified System Administrator certification. Now, Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the world's leading enterprise Linux platform, certified on hundreds of clouds and with thousands of hardware and software vendors. How about PDC 2? Okay, the 2 modules in PDC 2s are Module 3, Cloud Architecting, and Module 4, Intelligence Digital Solutions. Module 3, Cloud Architecting, builds on the Module 1 to equip trainees with the necessary technical skills in architecting in cloud computing and building cloud-based solutions in the capacity of Solutions Architect Associate. Now, it prepares candidates for industry certifications such as, but not limited to, the AWS Certified Solution Architect Association Certificate. After completing Module 3, you would be able to make architectural decisions based on AWS architectural principles and best practices. Use AWS services to make infrastructure scalable, reliable, and highly available. Use AWS managed services to enable greater flexibility and resiliency in an infrastructure. Increase performance and reduce costs of cloud infrastructure built on AWS. And use the AWS well-architected framework to improve architectures that use AWS solutions. Now, Module 4, Intelligence Digital Solutions, equips trainees with knowledge to understand digital technologies used in modern-day industry, such as networking, Internet of Things or IoT, machine-to-machine communications, cloud computing services, digital security management, video analytics, to design, to implement, and to manage new digital solutions. During the course, various application use cases will be discussed, including Singapore Government's Smart Nation and Industry 4.0 initiatives. Now, let me just very briefly go through the mode of training. Now, the mode of training consists of 70% asynchronous e-learning and 30% facilitated learning. Facilitated learning consists of 9 designated evenings of 2 hours per module. We have specifically selected 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. to allow participants to have more time to travel to the campus, as well as to return home earlier so that they can prepare for work the next day. Okay, now the 70% asynchronous e-learning enables you to adopt a flexible work-study arrangement. Learning paths with clear activities are provided to guide you on your learning journey. You can access the learning materials and complete the activities from anywhere, anytime. However, our dedicated lecturers will continue to provide personal support. Okay, during the facilitated session, either physical or online, the instructor will conduct activities to explain complex concepts, provide further explanation, and clarify doubts and answer questions that you may have. So what are the type of materials available in the course? Okay, first I'd like to highlight that our course is supported by the AWS Academy as well as the Red Hat Academy. Okay, our instructor have created learning paths. Okay, and these include unit introductions, lecture videos, lab guides, demonstration videos, as well as online lab activities, knowledge checks, and check your understanding quizzes. Okay, the assessment for this course include things like quizzes, class tests, lab tests, and mini projects. Okay, digital badges and certificates of attendance completion from AWS Academy and Red Hat Academy for the respective courses will be awarded upon completion of each course. These badges can be linked to your LinkedIn account to enhance your visibility to prospective employer. Graduate may also independently pursue industry-recognized certifications based on the knowledge acquired in the course. These industry certificates include AWS Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, and the Red Hat Certified System Administrator. Now, one key features of this diploma is it is a stackable diploma. graduate of NSCCA can actually continue to skill up in the domain of cloud computing by stacking up their first specialist diploma with a specialist diploma in cloud computing DevOps, okay, by taking 2 additional modules. Okay, this is shown on the diagram, right? So in PDC3, cloud development and deployment. The 2 modules are cloud developing and web development. Once you completed PDC3, you will be awarded the specialist diploma in cloud computing DevOps. Okay, the target audience for this course are for individuals who have some IT background, such as some knowledge in computer networking and computer systems, and wish to acquire skills across emerging technology area to design, implement, and manage new digital solutions. Minimum requirements: applicant should have a relevant polytechnic diploma or degree in the computing, IT, or engineering areas. Applicants from other disciplines but with relevant working experience may be considered on a case-by-case basis. Okay, the enrollment is actually open now. It is from 1st June to 31st of July. The course date is actually running from 14 October 2024 to 30th September 2025. Facilitated training will be at Singapore Poly, right? Or it could be online synchronous learning. Okay, if you have any questions about the course, you can actually further contact me. My email is shown over there. The course manager is Mr. Lau Chu Ming. His email can also, you can also contact him through the email shown. If you have other inquiries, for example, related to administration, admissions, you can actually email to pt@sp.edu.sg. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in yourself and your future. Enroll now and be part of a community that is shaping the future of cloud computing and digital transformation. Thank you for attending this session. I am now open for Q&A. If you have any question, do feel free to post in the link. Okay, there's a question to ask whether is this a part-time diploma? Yes, this is a part-time diploma conducted in the evening. Thank you for the question. There's a question about the PACE website. Okay, I've actually included a link at the start of the presentation. Okay, so that is the QR code. You can actually scan it and you will be directed to the PACE website where you will find more details regarding the registration. Okay, looks like there's not much questions. I think we will keep it up for another 5 minutes. Okay, does anybody else have any questions? Okay, since there's no more questions, so I'd like to end again by emphasizing this statement here. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in yourself and your future. Enroll now and be part of a community that is shaping the future of cloud computing and digital transformation. Thank you very much for attending. Bye-bye.